Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Qura Education System Learning. Today our topic name is global warming. Global warming is the phenomena of the gradual increase in the temperature near the Earth's surface. This phenomena has been observed over the past 1 or 2 centuries. Global warming, that is the gradual increase in the earth temperature gradually due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons and other pollutants. Now our next one topic that is on global warming are the causes of global warming. The first main cause, that is deforestation. Second one, chlorofluorocarbons. Next one, industrial development and agriculture. So here we will discuss one by one. First of all, the main cause of global warming, that is deforestation. As we know, plants are the main source of oxygen by taking in carbon dioxide, thereby maintaining environmental balance. Forests are being depleted for many domestic and commercial purposes. This has led to an environmental imbalance, thereby giving rise to the global warming. The next one main cause, that is chlorofluorocarbons. With the excessive use of air conditioning and refrigerators, humans have been adding chlorofluorocarbons into the environment, which affects the atmospheric ozone layer, thereby increasing the temperature of the earth. Next one main cause, that is industrialization, that is industrial development. With the increase of industrialization, the temperature of the earth has been increasing rapidly. The harmful emissions from the factories add to the increasing temperature of the earth. And our last main cause, that is agriculture. Various farming activities that produce carbon dioxide and the methane gas. These gases add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and increase the temperature of the earth, causing global warming. If you have any query, you can ask. Khuda Hafiz.